Rita, I see the video where you do yesterday. Now yesterday evening they send that for me, say responsible man not be responsible man for not get wife for house. You say I not be responsible man and for not get wife for house. Rita, now me take off that woman, and me buy ticket for her. Say me change better country. It is as I go marry. You say another man they take off my wife. You see I say you they talk, now I go say the truth to the talk. When I play your video first before I go reply you. When I come make you understand, say you don't get sense. You know, say as you come out for say yesterday now, that your white mouth, you can't open a door, say you don't have to talk. If we start time, you go regret time. Not be saying I go call the people know me. Who can make retire me? You don't get sense. Wait till I tell you. Wait till I tell you. Wait, I said I need to spell Iyore. Since when Iyore know you? Now wait till I tell you be that. Now truth. The whole world is seeing. Now prepare you when you come out with us. He may make me won't retire me. I not you something for head. Me not you something for where? Una san la jan wo wa. Ide ni pe nu ta lo nu nu eta lo di ka pe ni. Ni ka pe ni. Ni ka pe ni. Eba meme ni wezeleni. Model we as ebo meme ni. Broken English ya gbo la wa. Broken English de ba do ke ya gbo la wa mo ni ku emu na. Ni ile fun yi wa. When I call it to retire me. But to them retire me.
I know what you come for in our life. So I'll be addressing the center of your problems. That's what I'll be doing. You see that you play where they follow and play if I won't do it again. I know that's what you want. When you see a person where una mind tell una say this person will not be my you want that person to come down to your level. So that all of you will be rolling in the same shit. Una go dey roll for the same level. Dress for me, my darling. Because I keep thinking with illiteracy online. And he is the chairman of illiterates in the whole world, not even on this space alone.
Yes, I'm the chairman of illiteracy. I agree to that. You don't get what to talk about. Not be today the whole world no say me no go school, say I be illiterate. But I'm not going to tell people your waywardness, your stupidness. It don't need me your name, Oriana, need me your name. Ima we are so way tala walk back. I want to make you a skin goat retire me. I'm going to discipline you in this live video. I'm going to tell you I'm the best of new generation. I'm going to tell you as the messiah of the Facebook. Water. When only you were just born for 4 men. You get character that you not stay for one man house. Now you come and tell me say, woman, you want to give woman away born for me money. You know we are there, you can't give her money. Me you go tell for your live video. Now money you want to go give her. That's say now it tells you na hungry bit. But when you born for me, go come contact them, tell me they go call, they come and give them money, make they come. Because you don't get nothing to fight. You want to talk one word retire, you say whether your papa with your mama, now my mate. The video when I do, I know it's not your papa. I know it's not your mama. Who say you talk that word now? You go say Atiti they cost papa retire me. You know she say you don't get sense. Video when me do come for you. I know it's not your papa, I know it's not your mama. You they drag your papa with your mama inside and make you a shower, but when no get sense. Oh, but when it's stupid. Woman when it balance for 4 madam. Now unless the Bible go fit put you for house. Now I put you for house, go Billy. Okay, I say to him where you are. Who's Billy man want put you for house? You will not get character. You get character now you born for 4 men. You say me not get wife for us. I don't want marry useless woman like you. I don't want marry useless woman like you, retire me. Because you are too useless in the society. You say me ideni pay. Ni maka dam yori again.
People who look like Atiti or Atiti classmates, they will never like a person like me. Definitely, I changed myself from this space. Before. I said I won't.
Rita Yemie. Well, we take you take You are black fly, and fly come out for your mouth. You where me call the pity for. You where they drag your mama, they drag your papa for social media. Where you go to, yeah, married, where you go to, where they not see siblings, they not see papa, they not see mama. Now make me they call you. I'll see call you, can't give you up for your live video. Nibokun, Orion, now I hope I can't they give you. Who don't hear it, we say where people like Atiti classmates. I have so many classmates in a classmate in Obun. Now maybe president of any trade. I they talk always. I know they had my own. But I guess sense pass you. You were born for 4 men, Rita. You were born for 4 men when office stay for husbands. Now I come invite people for live video. Now I shower like you. I shower will not well like you. Now you the advice. You have no value in the society. If you don't know, she tell you, you don't have value in the society. You are a wayward woman. A cowardistic. You don't see that video when I do so. I'm not sure you go come out. You don't see the way I tell you. I do like person we don't know how to talk. Maybe for come out, when I drag you come out for inside the rabbit hole where you hide. Now when you don't come out for inside the rabbit hole. Oh, Tom, you ain't no. You say you go beat me. Rita, if you don't beat me. Rita, you guys are boy. You don't bring your papa, you don't bring your mama for his side. The video when I do, I know it's not the papa. I know it's not the mama. He say you know how to talk. Did I mention your father's name in that video? Did I mention your mother's name? I cannot fight you with your mother. The same the way the rest people do it. Hey, what child that insult other people's father or other people's mothers? When there was insulting your father, I was there for you. When there was insulting your mother, I was there for you. Why we need you go to put copyright for people page, they take people page. I can't quarrel with you. Now wait, you don't fit tell her. All the old people they talk to her, and not they like her. Why they you say because you call your platform. You get platform. Actual what platform will you get? Platform where they born for 5 men, where they born for 4 men. You know the shame. Now you actually come public they talk. Who are you impressing? Who are you impressing? Me? You are impressing musicians. You are impressing my students. Because me graduate pass you, me get sense pass you retire me. The one will not get sense for any trait. Now you do educate. I shall go ni yeah. Now you do impress it. It don't pay. Never.
I won't do it again. I will start educating you if I know what you need. I know what you come from in life.
Well, bizarre, what like your life you ready? Wait till you come up for your life. The last time I checked, you never feed me one day. You never give me money when I take it one day. I just survive myself as a human being in Europe. Wait till you come up for your life. Woman come up for my life. You don't come up for my house. How many man you come up for a house? To know responsible man. To know the responsible man that I have. If now you have been in trade way no get sense. I don't marry out to 4 women, 5 women. Some of these men will give you me Rita. Did they clever more than me? 4 men will don't give you belle we don't born for before go biri so. Did they clever more than me? Come and say it to the world. You know say what you not be one they put on yourself. You know what you not be when you put yourself so because of life video fake life where you want to live. Fake life where you want to live for life video where they put yourself so. Ya gbe you egbe retire me. Ya kama women amuza kekere amuza mimi. Ya kama sekeseke wo dollar me. Retire me where we are doing me. Ya you go nwe wa o. Nipe hian.
So I'll be addressing the center of your problems. That's what I'll be doing.
Rita, the problem when you get call addresser. A problem of young boy do addresser. The problem when you walk by you call addresser. The center of your problem. Do you have problem? Last time I checked, I don't have problem. But about God, they bless me for money, they bless me for everything. I'm okay. What is your problem? I want to know your problem. Because you have problem, you get mental problem. That's why you say other people have problem. Because the one way you thought they divorce for men, Rita, when you don't come up for 4 men house, mentality they worry you. The mentality where they worry you, you have to put it in other people's body. You are forsaking it in another people's body, Rita. You are forsaking your problem in another people's body, Rita. Kneel down in your ear. Kneel down in your ear.
You see that your play where they follow and play before I won't do it again. I know that's what you want. When you
Rita, last time I called you is the last time you with a lot of get quarrel when I come quarrel with you. Before then, I know the adjourn you, they call me and they call you. They call me and they call you. Sometimes you will call me say whether I not see video where this social person do. You will call me say I not see video where social person do. I'll say I'll see her. I'll say I'll go watch her. Sometimes I go watch her, sometimes I can't talk put. Sometimes I not go talk put. So I not see the one way you want to tell me now. But you want to have been illiterate, where the whole world don't know. Even Tunumbo, the president of Nigeria, knows I be illiterate, president of illiterate. Whose problem you can't get now? Can't tell me the problem where you get what I know. But I'll call you. I'll tell you, say, you never reach. I'll come to Tanzania for this live video. When we go start, the game go to hot. It go the hot for your table. But when we do the go inside, where, now you go run by yourself. Now you go pick race. You know, say a new generation can illiterate. I go hold that your tie with your husband they put for neck. I go hold your old journal. I go tie together. Eat back with me. I go tell you, son, I not be Monica. I to worry. I know they can't go find your papa also. I know they can't go find your mama also. The one where me don't get for social media or say me yak book wedding me. You want to go find the woman we born for me, me can't talk for your platform. Me can't tell you like now you define say you want to get money. If you hear that one, I go run come out. No hungry, no they beat them. You say my pikin, another man they take off. The last time I checked, the man will follow me bets. Say he be timber caliber. I tell him, say I don't cut timber for bush. Caliber don't carry this benin. You say another man is taking care of my children. Another man is taking the glory of my children. Are you kidding? Who are we going? This month, my children is coming to come and see me. I am the one that buy ticket for them to go and look for better. Let us change a better life. I don't like the life of Spanish. When the woman go there, it change the movement. It doesn't mean. As that woman come up from my house, you don't come up from my house. How many man you don't come up for a house where you know the shit, where you see the talk to, you see the talk to Prophet Atiti, Rita Yemie. I be say I don't talk to you when person call me yesterday. I say I don't talk again. The time when I got to see this your video. Now night I come to say now I say I can't reply you. Now I say I can't reply you. You say they look for your attention. Where my attention? Attention with me again. Who people are you impressing in social media? The condemned women. Rita Yemie people. Rita Yemie people. Because a wayward woman like you we call your table to come and listen to you. You have no contributor in the society to rattle your mouth. You are just rattling your mouth to the whole world. People know you as a foolish woman. A foolish woman that can't for us my house. What are you talking? What are you impressing in the society? What are you talking in the society? Rita Yemie. You want to speak English that I cannot speak English? If you can speak broken English, if you can speak correct English, I will speak broken English. People will hear me, Rita Yemie. I even love it. I even love it. The more you are speaking English now, the more my broken English is clear to the world. I even like it like this. I will call you out. Here I see well, that's all you put me, you call the speaker. The one when I not translate with correct English, he a broken English, you are before. The bolic working, the bolic. When we come when the bolic working. You get based on way. On your do where we be now. On your balu where we be. The bolic working. We are at we church here. We are at the bonic. working on your balu we. You need a big anyway.
When you see a person where una mind tell una say this person not be my mate, you want that person to come down to your level.
Rita, you me. Wait you take past me now, I don't know. Tell me what you take past me. Wait till you get past me now, tell me. How you not take be my level? You not be my level, I not be your level. You not be my level, I not be your level. But come on time for bad thing, I mean they quarrel with you. Me don't see you be evil where people don't know. Now me call the quarrel with you now. Say come on time for evil. You are demonic. You are demonic, Rita. You mean a demonic? You have be demonic in your way. Yeah, you go where you want to know my papa house? How much you want to give them? Me they show you my papa house. Me go to police catch all of them. Because if I thought they meet you, now police will take go catch my papa or my brother the way you take police catch Frank Omozuo. Now so you know I dey come for you. Ya come where every I'm Mimi.
So that all of you will be rolling in the same shit. Una go dey roll for the same level so that you have that. Una might go risk and say we are one. But me, I won't do that to some of you anymore. Never. But if
Rita Yemie, I did not roll with you in the same ball. I feel sorry for you. I feel pity for you. The way people was usually insulting your father and your mother. Telling people the whole world your mother sleep under cashew. I was pity for you and feel sorry for you. The day of your marriage, when you went to go and do marriage in Nigeria, because of you, you come of London, many other women, I insulted them because of you, you that don't have respect. Who called me retire me? Me not do bogu we go an guela nya wo wa do go an. Umaka we papa do go we go. You go say that daddy can't talk to you. You say daddy Atiti na can't talk to you. We na ladnia, asha women respect in ya. Eh na me wa kuna me respect. Ma ba agba we neni I we are. Ma ba agba we neni. Rita Yemi we na ladnia. We safety or thing. Ma no azo we safety or thing. Eh me ado safety or thing we na. Ndeni ge no na zo ni ke zo. Any azeni man or any ateni man or.
But if you come, if I look at your problem very well, I see what your problem is, I will address your problem.
Rita Yemi, address my problem. Rita Yemi, tell me my problem so that I will know where I belong to. Then I will come at you to come and tell you your problem. I will come and tell you your problem the way you want to tell me my problem. What is your problem? I will tell you. Come and address my problem. Let me tell you your problem too. Let me come and tell you what your problem. You are sick in your brain. You are sick in your brain. Kavasiki abroad the way. Kavasiki abroad the way. Retire.
Simple as ABC. I will address your problem. So Atiti need. You need to go and find yourself. Imagine at your age now, no wife, children.
Rita Yemi, I cannot marry a stupid woman like you. It will not be any nene. I'm very selective. I'm very selective. I cannot marry a useless woman. I cannot marry a foolish woman. In the Bible, they say a good woman repair her home, while the foolish woman destroy her home. But I cannot marry a destroyer like you that married to 4 men. You want me to go and put that kind of woman at home over my dead body? I will never do that. If time come, I have a document. I will go back to my father country to go and marry 16 years, 18 years. Woman is not my problem. If a man is your problem, woman is not my problem. Now, woman, person will get woman for us, now they do well. All the old men will get woman for us, now they do well. Now, you don't see all of the way that they leak pekus for Germany there. Where they type a pass. You want me to call the type of pass? Rita Yemi, I will never do that for you. Rita Yemi, I will never do that. I will never tie your papas. You want me to go tie papas? What you done here? What you done here?
Children are not around you. That one is a failure. You know what kind of failure is that?
The man where you live, Rita, you know, she saying they talk, you don't get sense. The man where you live, your children, not be you there with. The children, not be you there with. The man where you live, 3, 4 men where you don't live, where you don't born for. Children there with them. You want to talk for public now, say they say, Rita talk, Rita too beat Atiti. Ask my age now, children not there with me for us. The man where you born. The man where you born for, where you born your children for, the pikin there with them for house. You say you know how to talk. You know, she say you know get sense. You supposed to reason before you come and talk to Prophet Atiti. The intelligent man, the Ogudu, the Messiah of Facebook, the Atitunugo, the Eniboku people, the Ewon people. Before you come and you will reason your brain. Because you are a foolish woman, you doesn't have sense, you doesn't have faculty. You come on life at the age now. At the age, if people are not following it for us, Pikin not following it for us. The pikin where you born for, the 4 men where you born for, Rita Yemie, they deal with the men for house. Many the men are still foolish men. The 4 men where you born for, they are foolish men. At their age, they have no children at home. The 4 children where the 4 men where you born for now, they are pikin deal with them for house. Totally no, you know deal with them. How you come to say, wait till they talk now. It get value for the society. Wait till they talk now. It makes sense. My children is not with me at home, but every blessed day, I call them. Every month, I do money to give. I send money to them. God bless me with 3 boys. Every month, I send 300 to them. I don't send it to their mother. I don't send it to their mother. That 4 men where you born for, how much did they send for you every month, Rita? Me take care of the children. Do they say for their hand? I'm responsible more than the men where you born for. If you don't know, anytime we see the woman when you born for me, call and ask her, since when I start to work, whether I don't fail for 1 month. This month, they come my place now. 3 of them, they come my place. The first one, wait for day for year. He don't finish school for you. Say you want to go school for that time. As they come for this summer, he say you want to carry motor when I buy. Now I give him. Now I can go buy this one. If he come out now, go pack him for under pack. He pack you under pack. Anytime you are off here. A little more plan is say that's not a good father. How many times your pikin don't go greet you? Don't tell their papa say their papa they come. Their papa will buy motor way there. Make that they use. You are cowardly. It's a boy. Me where we have to go one. I will disgrace you. A foolish woman like you. The man where you born for, Rita Yemie. The pikin there with the pikin there with the for us. Yeah, this time. You just see and say, come talk. I shall we call listen to you now. You go say Rita back to take or what it is wow. Atiti wow. And one more wow. And one more wow. I'm asking you, Rita Yemie, the 4 men where you born for. When you be stupid woman, they say a good woman repair a home because your mother did not train you well at home. Your father did not train you. You are a no-go-go. You are a winogi. You can't unuroweka. 4 women, 4 men now you born for. And the 4 women where you born for now, the pikin there for your house. It's there for the man house. Now Atiti you want to laugh. Where you know say pikin where you born one for you born one for each man. All of the day with you for house. They not there with your papa. You want to answer me now. You say at my age, children not there with me for house. Well, can't be retired. Go and sit down and think over your life. For you to come and reply me, you are too small. Retire me. Even when the time to analyze it, I'm going to beg him at another time when I should talk now this morning. Say, at my age, pikin not there with me for house. If woman come on leave man, not be the pikin go carry a follow body. The one where you born for 4 men where you born for, 4 men where you don't born for. The pikin there with the men for house. No.
Not be saying you never get wife for the first time. You have a wife, you couldn't keep her. You have children, you could.
Not be saying I never get wife for the first time. I couldn't keep it. No be say you not get husband for the first time. Oh. You get husband for the first time, you not keep on. You get husband for the second time, you not keep on. You get husband for the third time, you not keep on. You get husband for the fourth time, you not keep on. Rita me, you are a coward. Rita me, my say no setting Atiti take me. You are too small. Who can be Rita me only Atiti take me? You are a learner. You are a learner. That's a big go you both way they speak. Now you want to follow me to take me. No, I'm asking you a question now. You talk and say I never affect keep woman. I don't fit take off her. I bought a ticket for a woman when he bought for me. Let us change a better life. Let me go and do well in another country. I try for the country when I did now. Since when I did for this country, I never go person here sleep one day. Now I live Baba J house. Now I don't go sleep. I be taken as a good friend. I don't know say won't leave that place. Now lay house I don't sleep. Since I've been in this country for years, I know they sleep outside. Now house rent, now me they pay my house rent. Not be woman they pay for me. Now me carry them. No change better life, of which all the old men they do one. You not there for that country, not be that country where you dey now. Rita, you mean now you just start country. You relocate to a better place, and you become a proud person today. You become a proud person. I wanted to locate to somewhere better so that I will be proud. But I'm still a proud person to the world today. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Where was the boy? Do you learn how to speak English? Do you learn how to speak English more than me, Rita? I can speak raw English more than you. Okay, man, what do you say? Not down your way. What got video now? What go vera? What go vera?
You couldn't keep them. Your children is being nurtured by other men. Some are.
Hey. What of your own children? They are lectured by Gogorubiri. The children you born for other man, they are being lectured by Gogorubiri. Yes or no? Gogorubiri is claiming the glory. As you said to me, another man is claiming my glory. Last time I checked, the man is Olakpano Geke. The man tried for me, or we a timber caliber. He said he's a timber caliber. I told him, oh, bonegbe when they bokpa mehin. Bonegbe when they bokpa mehin, bokuta. We started 2017 December. 2002 December, the mark meme, 5 years it have. Another man is not taking glory of me. Another man is not taking glory of my children. I'm telling you, Rita, as the whole world can speak to you. It's truth. He told me it's a timber caliber. I told him, oh, bonegbe when negbokpa mehin. Inaya ki otono baby. Now you are coming. Another children is taking care of my another father is taking the glory of my children. It can never happen when I'm alive. It will never happen when I'm alive. But look at you. Gogorubiri, Zimbabwe is taking glory of your children that will be born for another man. Yes or no? What be just your way? There Gogorubiri or take Rita win video go. Rita man we go. Rita you man we go Atiti we gbese we gbe. Oh kutakin. Oh kutakin. Ima that's when. We wa view re. We wa view we buwe. Awa ya ba gbeji na mi. Sise erere magba da ruya da force igba neni meta problem ni ru erere una wu mu adu ya we e ota me dori answer nu we neni ha we ma pa me pe if na only you I play for you I'm okay. People see the differences. People will know the differences. We ma pa me pe nu we person like Atiti now, he not get wife for house. I'm not ready to marry. I cannot marry a stupid woman like you were born for 4 men. I'm not a drunkard. I'm not a drunkard. I cannot marry a useless woman. A woman cannot keep a house. They say foolish woman scatter a house. You are among of the foolish women. If you can born for 4 men, you are coming to the world, say you want to. Who people do you want to impress? You cannot impress illiterate like me. Because a coward women like you can impress them. They are showered you, they will only clap hand for you. Not people like us. I was not calling you for a better purpose. A purpose I was calling you, that's what you are. Now you take the wrong mark now, say, I did call you, I did call your platform, I did call you in Iboku. I was giving you encouragement. What people was doing to you. With the way people was talking to your father and your mother. I did not talk to your father and your mother. You draw your father and your mother into this matter and I say, Atiti, why did I insult your father? Did I talk to your father? It doesn't make you to have women wine. Sit down, compose yourself before you want to come and talk to Atiti. Any word that you say out of your mouth, I have an answer to give you. I have an answer to give you. Am I not giving you answer now? Whether or not they give the right answer now, will not give me answer. You say, at my age, I'm not willing to marry. If I'm willing to marry, I can marry in 80 years if I will to marry. If I'm willing to marry, I can marry in 80 years. I'm not in age. I'm looking for the best. That who can know the value of me, that I will know the value of the woman. If you at my age, no children with me. If a woman leave man, wait the who person the children the day with their mother. You now wait don't live for me. Inside the 4 men, the old picky day with you for they not there with their papa. Go, they take their money, they chop. Zimbabwe, they take their money, they chop. You want to tell me, say another man, they take my glory. Another man. I will never share my glory with anyone. I will never share my glory with anybody. Atiti, no, is my glory. Twice any for. Rita, you may twice any for. If you say that type of word again, I'm going to give you 24 latches. Only 2 latches in Medovia. I only come here to come and give you 2 latches. If you say this type of word again, 24 latches, you are going to be farani. Ikebo when papas yini. 4 days ago, I see when they go put papas for waste. He say they do a cash out with Egbiaga, no go Egbiaga down. The Ashawo when he do remember we take for 4 men. He don't marry go biri. We not get voice for us now. Now he can't show white pants. White pants, if you see the white pants, oh you beg. Oh you know they no they London. He be papa see. Oh my papa see you listen. Oh I got show white pants in a way get way. A white pants. Now only one white pants you get to. It not be like us where you get white pants where they get more than 200. Where we the load our pants, white pants. We know the wear other color pants. As it takes his attitude, they wear white pants. He go bow yegbe. Where he go take papas. Made for this, they say again, you know way. I can't look in your only sunny ferre na. A papas in one muyona. A papas retire me muyoni sanana. I'll go find the video where I can't show now. As I want beat and I know say go block my page. I know say go put copyright for my page. I know say all those pictures. But I go beat her. Yeah, babe. Yeah, you go meow. More listen to her. Over you are yeah, babe.
Another man somewhere. Your children is being fed by another man somewhere. Another man is.
Even when I glass you, who were going to be women. Your children is being fed with another man today where. Your children is so fair in order to the way. The 4 men where you born for, the 4 picking, another man 4 picking, not before men you born for. The picking, they're not there with you for us. Not be go biri the fair with them. Not be go biri Zimbabwe man the fair with them. You know, see you are a very coward. Ugele me one. Ugele me one. Come be Rita me. A even know what you did for your body. Now you talk say it for my body now. The last time I check, the woman when he born for me, man not follow a day for us again. Or rape 6 feet, you know, he don't day for 6 feet. He don't day for 6 feet. Another man not the same my picking message as at now. But the one where you born for 4 men, 4 picking where you born for different 4 men, and 4 men you born for. Go Billy. You don't see Nigerian man when he carry people for us again. You don't see Igbo man when he carry people for us again. Go Billy Zimbabwe man. Now they take the money they feed now for Germany. Now they take this to the money they feed. If you want to talk, you say the man they work. I want to see the working place where the man they work. In my own working place, people they see him. I want to see the man when not they work with the list so quick for house. Even as 18 years, we love the 18 years, we love go ask when here. Yeah, I go the video we love now. In no money look we Agnes. What money don't know the man the name we give to that man that time why they call her that name. You want to talk one word when they pay me, Rita, me. You involve your papa with your mama for this way you want to talk to me. But I know you saw your papa with your mama. I know you saw there. You want to tell the worst side you saw your papa with your mama. If they say Atiti, my papa with your mama with my mates. I did that you saw your father retire me. What they were doing to your father, it was anointing me. It was anointing me. That's why I was calling you. I did not call you for another better reason. I only call you because of your sake of your father, because of sake of your marriage you went to go and do at home. Last time I checked, you are the one that called me. Say, I don't see video where this person do. I don't see video where this person do. I'll say, well, may you send that for me. When you send that for me, I'll call reply the person if I wish to reply. So Rita Yemi, let us listen to you very well. You are done with your
man is benefiting the fruit of your labor. You see, what would I say about a person like you? Where will I even start? Even if I decide to say, let me cure you. You see, Wahala. You see the reason why I'm not.
You see, another man is benefiting the fruit of my labor. Come and show me the man. I want you to come and show me the man that is benefiting the fruit of my labor. Any man can never collect the fruit of my labor. Any man who will try it. I'm just telling you, but last time I checked, your children that you bought for 4 men, go be chopping their fruit of their labor. See, people is chopping the fruit of their labor. You cannot laugh yourself. You want to laugh other person. You cannot laugh yourself. You want to come and laugh at it. Another man is chopping the fruit of the Weibo. Another man is chopping the fruit of the Weibo. You say, anything where Asha woman, now Asha will talk. Asha will not they think. Asha will not they calculate before they talk. Now so my papa tell me akuna. Ya no muno, ya no sewa. Okay, ya here. Who just see and say you can't talk like now? Another man is taking the fruit of your Weibo. Another man is taking the fruit of your Weibo. Who says you can't talk like you say na truth talk? Last time I checked, the woman that born my 3 children for me. Man no follow and think for us as they talk now. The man where they talk now, only kekene, he don't roti. But in your own case, 4 men where you born for retirement, go Billy is chopping the fruit of their labor. This men, go Billy Zimbabwe man, he they chop the fruit of this men labor now as they talk. I see you know say you know get sense. Not damn it.
I'm not the one here then. Because if I beat them, that beating will never leave their blood.
Rita, you may come beat me. Come beat me. I don't want me your beat to leave my blood. Rita, you are by the loyalty. Akmonja we no sogo mena. Ogo mo ti cho. Akmonja we no sogo mena. Ogo mo ti chi. Lege. Eiki. Now, 4 years we not go leave each other. If I want to address us at the addresses, I know the measure people need the journal only you want. Don't include people you told me. If you want to come and beat me directly, Rita. Let people see the way you beat me. Don't come and put it Monica Atuari. I don't want you to involve Monica Atuari, to involve anybody. Come on live video, be mentioning my name as you are mentioning my name. So come and beat me and drive me at house. Rita Yemie. If you be better picking, Ashawo know they no good. Ashawo is wayward. You don't see you, Rita Yemie. You don't know good. If you don't make me talk to you, say, now you dey spoil it, you supposed to talk because you don't know good. Nah. The time when they insult your papa, insult your mama for this life, the way they say your mama sleep from under cashew. When they go to police, carry your mama. You don't know, say I not get woman for us that time. Oh. Say another woman, they chop the front of my womb. Oh. Another man, they chop food the front of your womb. Now when I can't tell you to say you dispel it, jury. Now you can't say another man, they chop my front of my womb. Who can't be retired me? You are too locality to my type. You are too locality to my type. You are too locality. I
come better is still sick of the beating she received from me. See today she still sick. Only like you know that way I go. We don't want to fear.
Come better Ogbuwe. Come better Atuari. He disgrace you for the president of the whole world. He disgraced your father. He disgraced your mother. He started to read that beat you. Woman, no time. Atuari Ogbuwe yagbon. Atuari Ogbuwe yagbon. Dugbe when we agbe. Umami ye muladian. Umami ra muladian. But he ain't no way I do to muya will to take at you. On a muya I did live video. We better now. Hey, time come on, get inside. Don't ever make sure that word again say the beat will beat a better. Echo better and I beat you. All this grace with the whole world. I don't do disgrace that. You I don't do disgrace you. You have no faculty. I'm not supposed to say this word now. As I say this word now, Rita, I can't give Atuari power now. Next time where I tell you go come out now, I go say you beat me. I bring your mama come here, I call disgrace. I bring your papa come here, I call disgrace. I'm not supposed to do that because your mouth, you say you get mad. Now make me, if I the poor many things come out now, Monica go see they beat you well again. Monica me yak boy. Beni bonana Monica nyoge mania. Beni nema na Monica gemenia. E Monica do diafu. Egbo eroi. E video kere me wa una. E Monica na gele do diagwe Atiti as they talk. Man not follow a woman there for house. But you, 4 men are you born for? The men go bring like they chop your labor. And Monica do DI. Why we so? And Monica na do DI. Or if you collect one do DI, why we vie? Ina gele do game in metana. Ina gele do risi with table. Ina kama we say work be. Nike back here. Nika do boy in the door do replan. Rita the boy need all the replanner. Africa see and larger wowa. We'll suffer draw they come up for his house. You know, see the one when I can't do that on Sunday, I can't do like person we don't know how to talk. You're wrong, come out. You're wrong, come out. No, say I can't take and draw me come up for his house. More live off like this first, whether I go see come out again. More live on like this. I don't body shame and now. Wait till you can't talk. Atiti a man like it, he don't get a white hair. He don't. Rita Yemie, you say me don't get white hair. Look on. You see white hair? No, only you see three. But Rita Yemie, motu we wear a dead off with 4. Big your baby of your pekus, whether not be white hair fuller. Hair is a blade we have here. Because you know white hair don't for your body. Go bobiri, now white hair they leak. White hair now they leak green hair. That's why you know, say white hair for my body. I never want to give you now. When I see look whether you come out again. If you come out again, this one when I don't come debunk now, when I can't disgrace you now. Now they take another man, they feed another man for house. Another man children, 4 men where you born for. You take their money, they feed another man for us. Now you not be woman where born for me. Last time I checked, the woman where born for me, man when he born for. They don't dance for her, they don't do obito for her. We started the quarrel last for 5 years. 2017 to 2022. December to December. That's last time I checked. You have nothing to say in the public, Rita Yemie. Valley. You have nothing to say, Rita Yemie. Let me play YouTube, mechanic.com.
Yeah. Yeah? They're not stand down, move. But they want to hear it. Imagine a man like Atiti now at his age, as old as he is. He got no wife, no children around him, no better word for mouth. Atiti will never make.
My people, wait till they talk now. He said I don't get better word for mouth. All waiting in talk for my body, now say I don't get wife for house, no children. Wanna look whether I not get whether not be better word I can't reply now. You say another man they feed my children. I can't tell you saying a lie. Another man not did the way they feed them. Say I not get wife for house. Some of the 4 men where you born for retire me, come and say the truth. Sunday we not get woman for house now. The pikin not there with they day with you. You they take the money of the children they feed go Buddha Zimbabwe. You say I not get word for maths. Ashawo ma, ashawo. He never respect you.
Make it in life. That's one thing I want to let you people know.
Madam Maker, come and teach me how to make it.